In today's video, we will learn how to get the WhatsApp API and how to use it to grow your business. I will explain this entire process in 7 easy steps. Let's begin. Step 1. Mobile number. First, you need a mobile number that does not already have a WhatsApp account. If you do not have such a number, you can get a new one or delete the WhatsApp account from an old number to use it. Now the second step, you must have a Facebook Business Manager account, and keep in mind that it is very important for this account to be verified. If your business manager is not verified, you will only be able to send 250 messages per day. But as soon as your account is verified, you can send anywhere from 1,000 to 100,000 messages at once. Now in the third step, we will need a tool or CRM that will help us apply for the WhatsApp API and later allow us to send messages to our users through it. I am going to use Sensy here. I have been using this tool for the last 2 years, and believe me, it is quite simple and easy to use. I have provided its link in the description. You can open it from there. As soon as you open the Sensy website, you will have to create an account here. After creating an account, you will see an interface like this for the tool. Now, let's see how to apply for the API in the next step. First, you need to click on the Apply Now button, and then Continue with Facebook will appear. Click there. Now you will see your profile. From there, click on Continue with your profile. After this, the Meta dashboard will open in front of you. Here, you need to fill in your business information. First, select your business portfolio, then enter your business name. After that, enter the link to your business website or your Facebook page, Instagram, or YouTube. Now select your country and click on Next. Now in the next step, we have to create our WhatsApp account. Since we are creating a new account here, leave the options you see selected as they are. There is no need to change anything, just click on Next directly. Now the next step is to create your WhatsApp business profile. First, you will be asked what you want to name your WhatsApp. Here, first enter your WhatsApp account name. After that, enter your business name in the display name. Now, you will have to select a category, meaning choose the category your business is related to. After entering all the details, click on Next. Now, in this step, we need to add our WhatsApp number. First, select the option to add a new number. After that, enter the country code. And then enter your number. Now, this number will have to be verified. For this, click on Next. You will receive an OTP for verification. Now, an OTP will be sent to your number. Enter that OTP here. After entering the OTP, click on Next. After this, a page with some permission requests will appear before you. Confirm them. From here, your WhatsApp API account creation will begin. Now, in the final step, Sensy will verify all your details. Once verification is complete, you will get the WhatsApp API key for free. However, it is important to keep one thing in mind here. Try to ensure that your business manager is already verified. If your business manager is not verified, you might face issues during the verification process. I hope you liked this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure to like and share the video.